Hey, what's up traders, this is Deviation Hunter, and in this video I want to show you the institutional levels which are the part of the ICT template 3.0 indicator. So what is a institutional levels? Basically it's a levels where apparently the big boys, big banks are trading, and I will show you right now that it can be a true. So on this button, which is called LVL as a level, institutional level, so I simply click into it and it will brings me the levels, which are basically the whole number levels. I have set color for the blue, you can obviously change it, half number colors, which is going, and again whole numbers, right? As well, there is a possible to bring a quarter numbers, which I will show you right now in the setting. So basically we have this whole section for the institutional levels. What we can see in here, show whole levels numbers, which is these blue ones, and as well I have this color set for it. You can change the style, if you want to dash it, or or the whole line, you can set the width and maximum time frame, right? So I have the maximum time frame 1080, 1080, right? For the whole levels, half levels 4 hours, and the quarter levels 55 minutes, right? But I'm going to change it to the 240, so we can see this quarter levels in here, and that's it. You can set up as well which ones you want to see or not to see, and that's it, right? So right now we will see even the quarter levels, and you see right now it can be a little bit more mess, but on the lower time frame it's quite nice levels. You can see how significant around these levels the swing points are happening, right? So watch this, right? Exactly on the level, right? So yeah, what else we can do in here? As we see the levels right now like this, we can as well see their values in here, and it's going to be here, show PD arrays labels true. Okay, and you can see here is a values, right, showed. All right.